Powerful protection, safer networking. Vi20101 and Vi20201 surge protectors. 1 gigabit Ethernet plus PoE, 10 gigabit Ethernet plus PoE. Designed for high-performance, compact installations. Exceptional PoE capability. Supports high-power PoE up to 100 watts. Designed for extreme temperature. Wide operating range, minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 85 degrees Celsius. Versatile grounding options. 3 ways to ground. Ground screw. Grounded DIN rail. Shielded RJ45 cable. Flexible mounting options. 3 ways to install. DIN rail, wall mount, inline. Engineered for protection and performance. Designed with unique features to safeguard your critical networking and security equipment. Why choose Vigitron? Vigitron offers a lifetime warranty plus 3, free design services and complete networking solutions. For more information, contact Vigitron support at support@vigitron.com or +1 858 484 5209.